Question on the Porsche oil line, since this is the lifeblood of a 911 air-cooled dry sump system. Without oil, this car is not going to last. It will not go. It'll burn up and cost you a lot of money. And how these oil lines are made, it's a brand new line. You got your pipe, rubber hose, and fittings. What keeps these together is this crimp. And you can see right here the notches where the crimp squeezed on it, and you shouldn't be able to get this crimp to move at all. What you do is take your hand here to test the old one. If this crimp moves on this pipe, that crimp is no longer good. It's not just check the hose to see if it's good. How you check the hose is, the hose should have some give, nice and soft, not hard. Hard and brittle, the insides of the hose will actually start coming apart with the hot oil. So you want the hose to have a little bit of give, a little bit of movement, no cracking, but the big thing is, take it and twist it. Now luckily I have a pipe here holding it so I can do it. This end's hard, so you want to screw that back in something and see if it twists too, because it will. This is a good one. Here's an old one. The spin crimp, hose looks good, has a little bit of give. Take my hands again, it doesn't move. That crimp there is good. So this hose and pipe is good. I'm going to check this in on, put it on a cooler, another fitting on the block to make sure the crimp here doesn't move on this pipe. Take this hose here. There's the crimp. This is the pipe. See it twisting? This crimp is no longer holding onto this pipe. How I can twist it around. Even though the metal's good, even though the hose is an old style, has a little give, this is no good. The oil pressure hit and this will start leaking. And if this comes off, you lose all your oil while you're driving. And since the motor's in the back, a lot of people have a problem. They don't notice they're losing oil or even catching fire because they don't see it. Because why? It's in behind them. That's why you've seen so many Volkswagen Bugs and Porsches catch fire, because they never notice it. If it's in an American car or another foreign car with the engine up front, you see the smoke, you smell it, it comes right at you. But this hose is no good. How the crimp works, just like this one here. This is the part that screws onto your male fitting. Could be the block, could be the oil cooler, could be the oil tank, a thermostat, an oil cooler on front of the chassis. These don't wear. You got to check. Some of these are the old style aluminum. These are steel. Watch for being stripped here or stripped here, because this is metal, sometimes going onto aluminum thermostats, which will strip. This is the barb that goes into the hose. So how it works is, the barb goes into the nut. This ferrule right here is the part that's going to be crimped. This goes on here, the new hose slips in, and then a machine crimps it. It's called a crimping machine. Porsche actually used a hand crimping machine. But what happens after age and moving around in the hose and the heat, this will come loose and spin. Once it spins like this, that is no good. Don't try to use a vice grip or channel lock trying to make it loosen up. No need for that. Like I tell people, take your hand, grab a hold of it, twist it if it twists. She's no good. If it's a little too oily, take a rag, get a good grip with your hand, again, and twist it. Not this piece, but you're going to twist the hose, because this a lot of times will be attached to the chassis. So I want to sit here and twist it. I have a car on the left. Let's go take a look at this one. First off, I see some oil leaking there. So I got a crimp here. That's my oil tank. This is a late model, so it has like hose clamp. But I'm going to come over, and this right here, this pipe, has a crimp here with hose. So the hose, pretty hard. I don't like that hose. I'm going to come over here and grab it and check right here. And, oh, see it twisting? That oil line is no good. It has a hard hose. Crimp is moving on the pipe. This pipe and hose is no good. This one's a little harder. Come in here. These work a lot better. There's a clamp right here. I don't know if you can see. This clamp taken off, these will drop lower if I can get a good grip. But with the leaking right here at the crimp, This one being bad, it's about a 90%. This one's bad too. So we're going to loosen this up, check it too. That's it.